Morning, guys. It is July 27th, 2023. This one here, I got a call from my insurance company. They got a problem, one of the toilets leaking. When they flush it, it leaks on the floor. And also no hot water. They got an old oil-fired boiler from back in the 19th century, 1900s over there. Don't even like working on the boilers, they're so old over there. It's too flippin' cheap to buy new ones. But anyway, he's calling me. I almost feel like telling him, call someone else to work on the burners. So old, nasty. So flippin' cheap. Here I am, I got my insurance to this flippin' guy, and he's putting me in bad liability working on this flippin' junk. Unbelievable. You would figure an insurance guy would know better, right? Flippin' dum-dum. You're a dum-dum, Miss Molly. Won't change the equipment. He had two oil tanks over there. One was leaking, like I said, so we tied everything into the other tank. We're only using one of the tanks over there. The other one was leaking all over the ground. Unbelievable. Shit is old. Anyway, we're gonna go over there, see if we can fix the toilet. Flipping damsels in distress over there, worrying about it. Damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress. Flipping things are loose as a goose. It's no good like that. What's this? Wow. I have to pull it. Pump the water out and pull it. It's all crusties in there. I'm not going to flush it because it's going to just flood the floor. I'm going to pump it out. It's really loose as a goose, Mama. It's really loose as a goose. I don't want to flood the place because I had to work here. Pump it out. Flush it because it's going to dump on the floor. Got to find out why the flange is not holding it down. I bet you it's steel bolts that are broken, rotted away. Betcha. Well, the flange is broken. One of the two. We'll find out. Might just be loose. I'll take them off by hand. Yeah, look like good brass ones. Oh, that one's really. She's loose as a goose, Mama. Uh-oh. We'll pull it and see what's going on with it. Adjust the flanges, see if there's any no wax. Wow. Yeah, there's standing water in the drain. The drain's backing up. Yeah, she's calling the drain guy. He can come and snake the main drain. Thing's really low. I'm gonna have to put extender flanges on there. Yeah, he'll give you a call back. These are alright. I just gotta put maybe a double wax on there. Unbelievable. That's a jumbo wax. That should be good. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Ask him if he wants me to leave the toilet off for him.
Hi, this is Claudia. The plumber is here. It needs to be, I guess the water is coming up to the toilet. And he
It's
said
not draining.
It's not draining, so it needs to be snaked.
I can see it's going down slow, but
He says the water's not down slow. Oh, alright. Right, okay. Okay, alright, thank you. Alright. He said he put the toilet in.
okay.
He's gonna be here tomorrow.
Alright. Like I said, it's going down but slow. Really slow, so it must be a blockage in the main drain. And then so, you know, if I put this toilet back and then they flush it upstairs, it's going to back up in the pipes because it's not going down the drain. But this was all loose, so I'm going to put a new wax and tighten it down, and then that shouldn't be loose anymore. But he's still going to snake it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a
Lena wants you to see if you can go upstairs and look at the toilet upstairs.
What's the matter with that one?
Oh, it's making noise.
It's making noise?
Click, 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 click.
Click, click, click. Alright, I can look at that. You're better off to go to McDonald's and use theirs. Look at this guy. To pull all my fucking tags off. Don't ask me to come here again. All my fucking tags are gone. Look at this. Look at this thing. All my fucking tags are gone. Wow. Don't ask me to come work on this fucking thing again, bitch.